I'm definitely not worthy of the presence of someone like Vladimir Putin. This is a microwave. My earring is a microwave. I just wanted to explain that. The color of my fingernails could be a microwave. There could be a microwave like when she was wearing that, what was that, Burberry? No, not Burberry. It's some other print, but it says hostile. And it could be like, hey, something bad is going on. To try to send signals, microwaves. Everybody should learn about microwaves. They can be fun, and then also the military, of course, is going to take over and use, microwaves as their right, and probably give everybody grave consequences for using certain microwaves. I don't know. But anyways. So these are hearts. These are microwave to Balti. The singer, Balti.